I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about exponents and powers. So let's start with that. In our daily lives, we often come across situations where we need to multiply a number by itself several times. For example, the volume of a cube of side 7 meter is calculated as 7 into 7 into 7 cube meter is equal to 343 cubic meters. In this chapter, we will learn to represent repeated multiplications of a number in the shortest way possible. Such a representation is known as exponential form और exponential expressions. Okay? So इन्हीं numbers को हम क्या करते हैं, जब हम short form में इसको simplify करते हैं तो ये हमारे होते हैं exponential forms. Now exponent and base. When a number is multiplied by itself several times, it can be written in short form as enters, just like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here 2 हमारे कितने बार multiply हो रहे हैं 4 times. So we just write it 2 by 4 like that way. Okay. So this short form 2 by 4 is called an exponential expressions. The factor which is multiplied by itself again and again is the base. And the number of times the factors appear is the exponent. So here it is just like 4 हमारा क्या है exponent है और 2 हमारा क्या है base है बेटा, like that way. In 2 by 4, 2 is the base and 4 the exponents. So we read is 2 by 4 means as 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4. Generally for any rational number a and a positive integers n we defined as a power n is a into a into a into a means n number of times. Okay. So a is power of n is called at the nth power of a and is also read as a raised to the power n beta. The rational number a is called the base and n is called the exponent or power or index. For examples, हमारे यहाँ पर क्या दे रखे हैं 5 5 5 कितनी बार दे रखे हैं 5 5 टाइम्स दे रखे हैं. So 5 to the power of 5. So -4 -4 कितनी टाइम्स दे रखे हैं 3 टाइम्स. So -4 to the power 3. Similarly 1/3 हमारे 7 टाइम्स दे रखे हैं. So we just say that 1/3 to the power 7. Hope you understood. Note, power 2 is called square and power 3 is called cube. Okay beta. Now examples, here it is expressions, then meaning, uska exponents, then base and then volume. See the first one. So 3 power of 6 का मतलब होता है कि 3 हमारे 6 times आ रहे हैं and exponent हमारा ये बन गया 6 और उसका जो base बन गया हमारा 3 और इसका जो वॉल्यूम हमारा वैल्यू हमारी बनेगी वो हमारा बनेगा 729. Similarly, these are the other numbers and their meaning, exponents, base and value. Just do practice of that one. Okay, so now note. A negative rational numbers raised to an odd power is negative. Second, a negative rational numbers raised to an even power is negative. Second है बेटा, if p by q is any rational numbers and n any integers, then p by q power n is p की power n and q की power n. Okay बेटा, I hope you understood. Now solve examples. Example number 1, using exponents write n multiply by n into n into n. So how many times n is just n number of 5 times. So n हमारा कितनी बार आ रहा है? So 5 times. So this is how we just do that. Similarly, -6 -6 -6. So how many -6 comes? How many times? Yes, -6 की power 4. ये हमारे 4 times आ रहा है. Similarly, 3 by 5 हमारा 6 times. And 1 by 2, that is -1 by 2 is comes on 7 times. Hope you understood. Now example 2 beta. Find the value of 3 is to power 4. So 3 की power 4 का मतलब है कि 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 how many times? Yes, 4 times. So after multiplying all the value, answer is 81. Similarly, B, C and D part beta. Okay. So now example 3. Express in power notation. So 16. So 16 को हम कैसे power notations में लिखेंगे? 4 into 4. So 4 फोर्जा हमारे 16 होते हैं. That is why the power notations of 16 is 4 times 2. Okay? या 4:2. Similarly, minus 125 को 5, 5, 5, 3 times minus 5, so minus 5, 3. Okay? So, similarly 925 and D part. So, just do and practice well. Now, beta, example 4. Using prime factorizations method, express each of the following numbers in exponential form. So, solution है 343. अब हमने इसको क्या करना है? इसको हमने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के थ्रू सॉल्व करना है उसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म पे. सो 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7, 3 टाइम्स हम 7 7 हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो वी कैन से दैट 7 is to power 3. ओके. सिमिलरली 512 and 729 and 3125. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 5. सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग. 3 is to 3 power and plus 2 is to power 4. So 3 means 3 times 3 and 2, 4 means 2 times 4. Now just multiply all the numbers and then after add 43 is our answer. Similarly beta, minus 3 की power 2 is to 2 and 4 is to 3. That means minus 3 हमारा 2 times आ रहा है. minus 3 and 4 is to 3 का मतलब हो रहा है कि 4 हमारा 3 times आ रहा है. So just multiply all the number, then answer is 576. Similarly, C part and D part, just do practice of that one. Now, power of minus 1. So, what's that? Minus 1 की 1, that means 1 minus 1. Minus 1 powers 2 का मतलब means होता है minus 1 into minus 1, how many times? 2 times. So, is equal to 1. minus 1 is to 3 का मतलब होता है minus 1 comes 3 times. minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, answer is minus 1. Okay? And minus 1 is to 4 का मतलब होता है minus 1 4 times हमारे आ रहा है and so on. Observing the above pattern, we note that minus 1 odd natural number and minus 1 हमारा क्या है even natural number is equal to 1. Hope you understood all power of minus 1. Now exercise 5.1. Find the expanded form of 3 is to power 8. So 3 how many times comes? Yes, 8 times come. So how just we write it? 3 is to power 8 means we are just writing 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times. So this is how we just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times. Hope you understood the expanded form. So beta, these are the other question, you have to complete it your own. Okay. So now move on, laws of exponents. The laws of exponents are very useful in numbers involving exponents to do the operations of multiplications and divisions. Law number 1 is, if A is a non-zero rational numbers and M and N are positive integers natural number, then A is to power M and A is 9 is equal to A M plus 9. हम क्या करेंगे उसके एक्सपोनेंट को हम प्लस कर देंगे. Solve example. Example number 1. Express minus 1 by 3 is to 3 into minus 1 by 3 is to 7 in a single exponential form. Okay? So अब हम क्या करेंगे, जो इसके जो एक्सपोनेंट है 3 और 7 इन दोनों को हम क्या कर देंगे? Yes, हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं. So minus 1 by 3 x is to power हमारा आंसर बन गया 10. Law number 2, if A is a non-zero rational number and M and N are natural numbers, then A is to power M divided by A is to N is equal to, yes, जब हमारा डिवाइड होता है तो हम इन दोनों को माइनस कर देते हैं. ओके, सो सेम हमारा a:m और a:9, सो हमने m और n को क्या कर दिया है, माइनस कर दिया है. सो वी कैन से दैट m इज ग्रेटर देन n बेटा. ओके, सो जस्ट डू प्रैक्टिस वेल ऑफ दैट वन टू. सो नाउ मूव ऑन एग्जाम्पल 2. Express the following in a single exponential form. So here it is given 2 by 7 is to power 7 divided by 2 by 7 is to power 4. So हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले 7 और 4 जो एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर है माइनस करेंगे. सो आंसर इज 2 by 7 is power 3. ओके बेटा, दिस इज हाउ. सिमिलरली बी पार्ट इज 2 divided by 5 is power 3 divided by 2 by 5 is power 5. So just minus both the number and answer is 5 by 2 is to power 2. Hope you understood. Now law 3. If a is a non-zero rational numbers and m and n are natural numbers, then a is to power m is power n is equal to a m into n is equal to a m n. Okay, now see example 3. Express the following in a single exponential power. So here it is given 2 by 7 is to power 3 is complete power 4. So हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले दोनों जो हमारे एक्सपोनेंट है 3 एंड 4 इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो कंप्लीट आंसर इज 2 by 7 is to power 12 बेटा. सिमिलरली बी पार्ट, ओके, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके और आंसर हमारा बन जाएगा दिस वन. Now law 4. If a is any rational numbers except 0, then a is to power 0 is equal to 1. Example 4, evaluate the following. So here it is given minus 19 by 11 is to power 0. So हमारा ये क्या बन जाएगा आंसर में, yes 1. And similarly 24 by 21 is power 0, answer is 1 beta. So this is law 4. Now move on next, which is law 5. For any non-zero rational numbers a, we get a is to power 1 is equal to x. Example 5, evaluate the following. So minus 5 by 8 is to power 1, हमारा क्या बन जाएगा, yes minus 5 by 8, simple. Similarly B part, 24 by 30 is to power 1 is become as 24 by 30. Now law number 6. If a and b are two non-zero rational numbers and n is a natural numbers, then a is to power n and b is to power n is equal to become ab is to power n beta. Example 6, evaluate 3 by 4 raised to power minus 4 into 1 by 7 is to power minus 4 बेटा. सो सॉल्यूशन हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई में है दोनों नंबर. सो जस्ट वी जस्ट डू दैट 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 इज टू पावर माइनस 4 और इंटू करेंगे हम 1 बाई 7 इज टू माइनस 4. ये दो नंबर है हमारे. ओके, उसके बाद हमने क्या करना है, 4 और 4 दोनों को हमने एक कॉमन 4 ले लिया. So 28 by 3 is to power 4 is our answer. This is how we just do this. Now law number 7. If a and b are two non-zero rational numbers and n is a natural numbers, then a is to power n divided by b is to power n is equal to ab is power n beta. Example 7, evaluate करेंगे हम 3 by 2 को, जो 3 by 2 के पास 3 है, डिवाइडेड बाई 3 by 8 के पास 3. सो 3 और 3, सो हम क्या करेंगे, इनका एक कंप्लीट लिख लेंगे आंसर्स. 3 by 2 इंटू जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दैट नंबर 8 by 3 एंड हम क्या करेंगे, आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग आर आंसर इज 64. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8, बाई व्हाट नंबर minus 9 is to power minus 1 should be multiplied so that the product becomes equal to minus 12 is to power minus 1. So product हमारा कितना है, this one, given number is that. now required number हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, product divided by given number. so जो हमारा number है given, हम उसको reciprocal करेंगे and after simplifying our answer is 3 4. So minus 1 minus 9 is to power minus 1 should be multiplied by 3 by 4 to get minus 12 is raised to power minus 1 as the product. Hope you understood. Now example 9. Simplify minus 1 by 2 raised to power 4 into 624 divided by 16. Just divide करेंगे 5 by 2 की raised to power 4 into 1 by 16. So let's see solution. So अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ पर हमारा क्या है 1 by 2 पावर और 624 by 16. So सबसे पहले जस्ट हमने क्या करना है 5 by 2 और 4. 5 by 2 is to power 4 और 1 by 2 is to power 4 multiply by 5 by 2 is to power 4 like that way. Okay. So हम इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद हमारा क्या आंसर आ जाएगा 1 by 2 4 minus 4 and into 5 by 2 4 minus 4. So 4 में से 4 गया like this 0 and here it is 4 में से 4 गया 0. So 0 0 है, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1 beta by this method. Okay. I hope you understood well. Now example 10. Rename 4963 in expanded form using exponents. So here it is given 4000. So 4 को 1000 से multiply, 9 100 की प्लेस पर है just like this, 6 10 की प्लेस पर है and 3 हमारा ones की प्लेस पर है. So 1000 means how many times 10? 10 10 10 3 times. So that is why it becomes 10 raised to power 3. जो हमारा 9 है 100 की प्लेस पर है, सो हम कैसे लिखेंगे 10 की पावर 2 10 रेज टू पावर 2 और हमारा जो 6 है वो हमारा 10 की प्लेस पर है, सो 10 रेज टू पावर 1 और 3 into 1 is 3 बेटा. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 5.2 फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन 8 by 27 is equal to dash raised to power 3. सो 8 by 27 को हमने क्या करना है, किस फॉर्म पे लिखेंगे कि उसका हमारा पावर 3 आएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट. ए पार्ट है हमारा a by 27. अब उसको हमने डैश की पावर 3 करना है. सो वी कैन जस्ट राइट इट 2 into 2 into 2 is same as 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 and 27 हमारा कैसे बन सकता है 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. सो ये बन गया हमारा 2 raised to power 3 और ये हमारा बन गया 3 raised to power 3. सो अब 2 को 3 से हमने किया तो कंप्लीट आंसर हमारा वी कैन जस्ट राइट इट लाइक दैट वे बेटा. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. दिस इज हाउ वी जस्ट डू दैट काइंड ऑफ सम्स. होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. So now move on next one. Expressing large and small numbers in the standard form. First one is for writing and reading very large numbers we can express them using powers of 10. Study the following. So 100 is 1 into 10 raised to power 2. Okay, 1000 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे 1 into 10 raised to power 3 and 10,000 and then 4,000. So how do we write 301000 in this form? So we can just write it 301 into 10 raised to power 3. Similarly 72,000 को कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Yes, 72 into 10 raised to power 3. Hope you understood. Now second part. For writing and reading very small numbers we can express them using power of 10. Study the following. So here it is given 0.1. So 1 into 10 minus 1. Okay, and 0.01 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2 and 0.001 is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Similarly 0.0048 is equal to हमारे कितने बनते हैं 48 into 10 raised to power minus 4 beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on standard form or scientific notations. Any number can be expressed in scientific notations in the form k into 10 raised to power n. where k is equal to 1 or more than 1 but less than 10. So 1 is smaller than k and is smaller than 10 and n is an integers. To write a number in standard form, we split it into two parts multiplied together. The first part must be number between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0 and excluding 10 beta, and the other part a power of 10. Hope you understood standard form or scientific notations. Now move on next. Study the following. Here it is number and scientific notations. So 36 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 3.6 into 10 like that. 360 3.6 और हमारा जो 10 raised to power 2. Similarly, these are the numbers. Just read and practice well, beta. Thus, we can say the following. 1. To express any number in scientific notations, only one digit other than 0 is to be kept on the left side of the decimal. Second, in the scientific notations of a number less than 1, जो 1 से छोटे होते हैं, the index of 10 is a negative integers and this integers is equal to the number of places the decimal moves to the right. Third is, in the scientific notations of a number greater than 1, the index of 10 is a positive integers and this index is equal to the number of places the decimal moves to the left side. Hope you understood. Now solve examples. Example 1, express the following numbers in scientific notations. So here it is given 0.23. So हमने सबसे पहले 23/100 लिखा like that way. Now 23 divided by 10 into 1/10. So 22.3 हमारा क्या बन गया? 1/10 is to power 1, that is 2.3 into 10 minus 1. So thus 0.23 is equal to beta 2.3 into 10 minus 1. Like that way. Similarly, B part beta. Okay, now example 2. Write the following numbers in a standard form. Okay, first one is given 13 lakh. So this is 13 lakh. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. So 13 का जो है उससे पहले बीच में हमने डेसिमल ले लिया 1.3000000. 5 times 0 multiply by 10000 6 times 0. So 1.3 into 10 raised to power 6. So this is the standard form. Okay. Similarly, B, C and D part. Just read and practice well. Now move on. Next. Example 3. Write each of the following numbers in the usual means normal form. So 1.05 into 10 raised to power n. So अब हमने क्या करना है? सबसे पहले remove decimal. So ये हमारा बना 105/100. So now 10 raised to power 9. So is equal to हमारा क्या बन गया? 9 में से हम 2 को ये जो हमारी ये जो पावर है इन दोनों को माइनस करेंगे. So 105, that is 105, 10 raised to power 7 is our complete answer. Like that way. Similarly, B part beta. Okay. Now example 4. Compare the following pairs of numbers. So here it is given 9.9 into 10 raised to power 7. Okay. अब हमने compare करना है 1.1 into 10 raised to power 8. Solution. Since the two given numbers are expressed in scientific notations and 10 raised to power r is greater than 10 raised to power 7. So therefore 1.1 into 10 raised to power is greater. Hope you understood. Similarly beta, we just do the B part. Okay. So now move on. Example 5. The distance of the Venus from the earth is 1082.00000 kilometer. Express this distance in a standard form. So हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर जो हमारा 1.082 है, उसके बाद जितने ज़ीरो हैं, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स 10⁻8 किलोमीटर. So this is our answer beta. Hope you understood well. Now move on exercise 5.3. Express the following numbers in scientific notation. So number is 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो हमारा ये नंबर है. अब हमने साइंटिफिक नोटेशंस में करना है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 5.4 इससे पहले डेसिमल लगा देते हैं. और ये कौन से प्लेस पर है? सो यस, इट इज़ ऑन 10⁻6 बेटा. सो दिस इज़ आवर आंसर. This is how we just do that kind of sums beta. I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood all the sums very nicely. So just do practice well and do rest of these exercises by your own.